one thing is very key to note, the fact that you have very less very rare events of snakes in the Samvat gone by, actually. Very few, actually, and it is good in a way, actually, Vikram.
Yes.
Because one of them definitely has to be the funding for the startups. That seems to be bitten by the snakes.
Yes.
You saw a deep trench, and the one celebrated unicorn stable now looks more like a field in need of some serious styling, actually.
That's true. It is very true. At this point in time, we'll have to see exactly how it goes, because we've talked about this funding winter, as it were,
yes,
for many of our startups. But we'll see how it moves on. It seems our fiscal board game has all been about the kind of ladders that we've been speaking about. But like Cheryl pointed out, there were certain kind of snakes as well. And will this prove to be one of those kind of snakes that will slide further downwards? We'll have to wait and watch. But yes, let's wrap this up, Cheryl, with a high five to the common folk who've stormed the stock market castle with their Demat accounts. I was talking about this, the SIPs. They've done it. They've talked about a growth spurt, and much of it by the kind of domestic interest that we are seeing in the stock markets.
Actually, it's actually like watching a beanstalk actually shoot up. Seems like everyone's got into this investing beans these days, and it's just not about the flurry of account openings. It's the SIP brigade that's turning the tide, actually, Vikram, making waves in domestic market. I told you, it's the domestic investors, isn't it?
Domestic investors, and we hope we keep singing that song over and over again. The numbers are belting out this victory tune from last October to this September. If you look at the SIP contributions, they have really scaled their own fiscal Mount Everest. They've crested a whopping 16,042 crore rupees by September. And judging by all the buzz from the market, Cheryl, the maestros, the global watchdogs, it looks like India's economic symphony is going to play on.
Absolutely, India's symphony is going to play on, and this is one party that you don't even need +1, actually, Vikram, if you talk about it, and that's known as Indian Bull Market Party.
Yes.
It's open for all, and it's open for all to actually come and witness.
Witness and grow with. That was the whirlwind journey that we are taking here on Snakes and Ladders of Samvat 2079. We hope you enjoyed this vibrant ride with us through the market twists and turns. And until next time, when we talk about the thriving ladders and how we are dodging those snakes, take care. Have a very happy Diwali.